everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the no sound problem in foobar2000 on your Windows PC or laptop. If your music is playing but you can't hear any audio, don't worry. I'll walk you through several simple solutions that can help fix the issue. Let's get started. First, make sure your speakers or headphones are properly connected and powered on. Also, check that the volume is turned up both in Windows and inside foobar2000. Next, play a song in foobar2000 and verify that the volume slider in the program is not muted or set to a very low level. If there's still no sound, click *** file ***, then preferences ***, and go to **playback followed by output ***. Under the *** device *** section, make sure the correct audio output device is selected. For example, choose your speakers, headphones, or the default Windows audio device. Click Apply * and OK ***, then try playing your music again. If the problem continues, restart foobar2000 device. Sometimes Windows doesn't detect a device correctly until it's reconnected. You should also check Windows sound settings to make sure the correct playback device is set as the default output. Another helpful step is updating your audio drivers through Windows Update or your computer manufacturer's website. If you've recently installed an audio component or output plugin in foobar2000, try disabling or removing it, as it may be causing the issue. Finally, if none of these solutions work, reinstall the latest version of foobar2000 from the official website and test the audio again. In most cases, one of these methods will restore sound and get your music playing normally. And that's how you fix the no sound problem in foobar2000 on your Windows PC or laptop. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.